Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money on ClickBank for free in 2023. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to open here our ClickBank. We can see ClickBank. So ClickBank is a site that offers you to is a global e-commerce site of affiliate. Okay, affiliate place. So we have to just open our ClickBank. So here we can see the ClickBank official page. So I can just get started here. So as you can see, it asking for let's customize your experience. I am a new tool and I'm not sure to start. Let's go. So I want extra income. Yes, I am doing like pay email. You have interest in none of this. I don't know the tools. Okay. Please answer here. Hear about I hear about from my YouTube. The next. Then here is a mail. So we can just put our mail. Then just hit enter. So just cross. So first of all, we can see here we have an affiliate. So we have to click on the affiliate. So we can just affiliate overview. So ClickBank provides us a quality product with the high commission with reliable payments. So we can just easily pay out with the high payments option. So we can just scroll down. So we can see their business model. So they have 4,000 plus affiliate products, 6 billion commission, 90% potential paid, and zero payment missed. You can see get paid your way. So you can just get paid your way as cost per action, CPA rate, or you can just sharing revenue sharing. Like each product, if you just ClickBank have a sharing. If you sell like a book of $100, you will get $50 or $30 per book. So it's a revenue sharing, and a cost per action is your get paid. So set a dollar of amount, you have set to a dollar amount, that amount you will get. So the part to your first check payment starts with Sparks. So you can just see the course. If you want to see marketing course, you can just enroll. So in the home button, we can see we have our option to start here. We have to click on start here. So here we can see let's customize the experience is saying. So we'll click on the login. So simply we can just log into our account. So we can just log in. So we can just forget the password. So here actually in India, the ClickBank has been not operating from since 2 to 3 months. I don't know why, but if you are in another country, you can access. So my account has been not working since here. So I can just take it home. Okay, so I will explain you. So here ClickBank gives us the products like our books, TVs, and televisions. You can just sellers. You can see the seller resources affiliate. So in affiliate, you can just see as here starting on ClickBank. So you can see here we have ClickBank. So here we have to enroll their uh, program. We can just see the courses. It will help you a lot. Here we can see the CPA on ClickBank. So the CPA on the ClickBank is here. You can see is your how many clicks if you get on your products. So for example, you're seeing here ask me about the CPA. So here starting for $71 up to, and this is one kind of the stress relief and weight loss support supplement now offer CPA checkout and their high sky high conversion rate and starting crushing today deals. So as you can see here they have all the products that need support CPA. So in CPA of ClickBank, there will be no scramble in your commission. Your deposit require. So there will be no deposit require. You can just do for free. There is not cutoff of any commission. So for example, here you will not charge uh, your fee of your platform fee or any fee. So when you have selected the product, then you have to search for the product. For example, I am taking the product from Alibaba, so I can just, for example, I am taking like a product. Let us take a mechanical keyboard. So we can search as mechanical keyboard. So we can just search. So here at the shopping, we can just go shopping. So here we can just search as we have mechanical keyboard. So let us do for here in Amazon. So for example, if I am doing the affiliate for this product, so not this product, so let's open amazon.com. Here we can just go to amazon.com. We can just search as mechanical. So mechanical keyboard. So for example, I'm doing for affiliate for this as $42 Hobbit keyboard. So here you can see the product. So here is a video. So make it interesting. We can use this site known as InVideo.io. So you can just click on here, join the wait list. So here we can just click as here. So we can just log in with our Facebook, our account, Google account. So we can just click on here at videos. So you can see the more videos. So here are the videos. You can just download it, okay, and you can see all the videos. So you can just search here as here you can just go to here as in video. So you are making on an ad YouTube. So use video for sales boost. I am a student. So here you have to just awesome just share your awesome. You are the 83,000 on our wait list in video. So here we have to just wait till it's doing. So we can just make the videos for them, or we can just you can make a video. So we can just add the caption. We can make the video interactive, and we can just make. So this is how you can just make the money using your ClickBank. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.